Every single day, you are being lied to with numbers. And the worst part? The data is completely real. The math is correct. But the conclusion is false. Let me show you how it works. A company announces, "Our new drug reduces the risk of heart attack by 50%. Sounds incredible, right? You'd probably take that drug. But here's what they didn't tell you. In the study, 2 out of 1,000 people in the control group had a heart attack. In the drug group, only 1 out of 1,000 did. That's a reduction of 1 person per 1,000. But mathematically, yes, that is 50%. They told you the relative risk reduction, not the absolute one. One number sounds revolutionary. The other sounds like nothing. This technique has a name. It's called misleading framing. And it's used everywhere, in pharma ads, in political campaigns, in news headlines, in diet culture. Here's another one. A headline reads, "Screen time linked to depression in teenagers." Linked. That word is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Because linked doesn't mean caused. It means two things happened at the same time. But your brain hears, screens cause depression. Maybe depressed teenagers use their phones more to cope. Maybe a third factor causes both. The data doesn't tell you. The headline doesn't care. This is called correlation versus causation. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Now let's talk about charts. Have you ever seen a bar chart where the y-axis doesn't start at 0? This is one of the oldest tricks in data visualization. By cutting the baseline, small differences look enormous. A 2% change can look like a doubling. Politicians love this. Companies love this even more. And then there's sample size. A study of 12 people. A survey of 200 university students. Results that get reported as scientists say or research shows, as if it applies to all 8 billion humans on Earth. Here's the question you need to start asking every single time you see a statistic. Who collected this data? Who paid for this study? What are they not telling me? And most importantly, compared to what? Because numbers without context are not information. They are a tool. And like every tool, they can be used to build or to deceive. The good news? Once you understand how statistics lie, you become almost impossible to manipulate. You start seeing through headlines. You start asking the right questions. And in a world that runs on numbers, that is one of the most powerful skills you can have. If this video made you think differently, share it with someone who needs to see it. And subscribe, because on this channel, we question everything.